welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I would like to share with you how I make my lunch. Alright, a few days ago I posted a video of me showing you what a breakfast looks like in a Nigerian home, and you guys seem to like it so much. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support on that video. I really do appreciate. Okay, that is what motivated me to make another one for you guys. So I hope you enjoy this one as well. And if you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button down below. It is totally free. You are not paying anything. I promise you, you are not going to pay anything. The only thing you are going to pay for is your Wi-Fi bill. Like, that's the only thing you are paying for, right? So the first thing I like to do before I start cooking is to bring out the things I need for what I'm about to make. And yeah, that's basically what I do. Just bring out the things I need, wash the ones that needs to be washed, cut, slice and dice the vegetables, the onions and all of that stuff. So that's what you don't get to see in most of my cooking videos, but I'm going to be showing you almost everything in this video. So that being said, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, I'm done taking out the things I'll be needing for this lunch, and next thing I'm going to do is to boil some eggs, because we are going to be eating this with some hard boiled eggs. So I'm just going to place that on the gas, and then I'll continue cutting and slicing my vegetables. Halfway through, I'm going to be boiling some water for my pasta. Okay guys, I didn't tell you, I forgot to tell you, we are making pasta. Just pasta, nothing too fancy. Okay, it's just pasta. It's very easy and simple to put together. And another thing guys, I also want you guys to try this recipe because it really came out very nice and so yummy. Like, everybody did enjoy this pasta. So I'm going to try as much as possible to explain the things I'm using here and how I'm making it, so you can as well give it a try. Okay, so after I was done cutting the spring onion, I also chopped up half white onion, and now I'm cutting my fresh tomatoes into cubes. I'm just going to be cutting up some ginger roots, fresh ginger roots. And for this recipe you can use as much ingredients as you want. Okay, I don't have any measurement for this. So now I'm cutting up my bell pepper. I'm going to be using red bell pepper. If you want, you can use any color of pepper you want. So now I'm just washing my chicken breast. I'm going to be using chicken breast for this. You can use any meat of your choice, or you can even skip the meat. Okay, it will still come out very nice and tasty. So I just diced the chicken breast into cubes, and now before I was done cutting up all the vegetables and doing some other things off camera, my eggs were done. So I just took it out from the gas, and I'm just going to let that cool down while I continue with my cooking. Alright, now I just added my pasta and I'm just stirring it to make sure it balances well in the water. And I'm also going to be adding some salt and some olive oil. So I'm going to let this boil for about 5 minutes or thereabout. And now after about 5 minutes, I'm going to strain the water and fry my vegetables and the chicken breast. I'm adding some olive oil in the pot. I'm going to let it heat up a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to be adding my bay leaves. I always like to wash my bay leaves. For some reason, I don't know, but I just like to wash it before adding it into my pot. So I just added the bay leaves. I added 2 bay leaves, and I added the ginger and the onions. I'm going to let that cook down a little bit before I add the chicken breast. Now I'm going to be adding all the rest of the vegetables. The spring onion, the red bell pepper, and the fresh tomatoes. Mix everything together, and now I'm going to be adding some dry basil leaves. Just add as much as you want, okay? I'm going to be adding some paprika powder, some nutmeg, and some curry powder. If you're not a professional cook, please don't add your ingredients like this. So always make sure you use a spoon to scoop it out to avoid accidents. Okay, so I just poured in 1 fresh tin tomato. This is optional, you don't have to, but I want it to be very red in color. Okay, and I added 1 Knorr cube. I'm going to be mixing everything together, taste it to see if I need to add more seasoning, but I only needed to add salt, so I just added some salt. And this is the only water I'm going to be adding to this, no more water, okay? And finally, I'm going to be adding some fresh thyme. Mix everything together. Now cover the pot and let it cook for 10 minutes. While that is cooking, I'm going to rinse my pasta and set aside. Then I'll start cleaning up some things. As always, guys, this really helps a lot. As you can see, I have a little space here. I have a small kitchen counter. So if I leave all these things here, I'm going to run out of space for where I'm going to be doing some stuffs. Okay, so I like to cook and wash off some things just to clear off some space. All right, this habit is really good. This is something you should consider doing, cooking and cleaning as you go. It is so good. It makes your kitchen look somehow tidy. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you are really enjoying this video, I want you to hit that like button. So after about 10 minutes, I'm going to add the pasta. I'm going to mix everything together to make sure all the ingredients marry each other. And I'm going to cover it and let it cook for some minutes, for about 5 minutes or thereabout. And I'm going to be finally adding the sweet corn. I'm adding sweet corn to this. You don't have to, but if you want, you can try it as well. It really makes the food taste amazing. Okay, so that is the last thing I added to the pasta. I mixed it up and voila, our pasta is ready to be served, guys. It is that simple. I told you. This is one of the simplest meals you can ever make. Okay, it doesn't even take up to 30 minutes to put all these things together, I'm telling you. So our eggs, I'm going to be peeling it off just like so, and that's it. I'm going to dish out the food for everybody, including you. If you want, you can just come and carry one plate. It's for everybody, okay? So I added some sliced cucumber and sliced fresh tomatoes off camera, okay, because this video was getting too long, so I didn't show that. And I finally added the boiled egg. I sliced it into 2 halves. All right, guys, it is time to eat. Come and join us. The table is empty, guys. We need more people to come and fill that table. Oh my god. We are really enjoying this, as you can see from what my daughter is doing over there. She loves this, especially that cucumber. The cucumber and the egg. Oh my gosh, she loves that with the chicken breast. That girl, sha. But overall, she really enjoyed it. My son, that one is I don't even know. My son, hey, he doesn't like food though. You really need to force him really hard before he can eat. As you can see now, I just petted him, make him feel comfortable, and now he is managing to eat 1 spoon. and his sister was like, eat, it is very sweet, it is so sweet, Bono, eat, you will like it, Joshua, eat. But that one, I think it was even when she was saying eat that he started eating too. Oh my god. And my little boy over there, that one is food himself. He can eat for Africa. Anything eatable, just bring it. It is there for you. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had so much fun making this video for you guys. If you do, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.